What's better to do when it's 48 and rainy than to find a river and a tarp and some meat? This could be snowing. Cheddar brats should warm us up plenty good if we can start a fire. Rain and 48 degrees. Making for that tree. Set up a tarp underneath. I can't wait to eat a warm cheddar brat. Jalapeno cheddar brat. Sometimes when I'm walking down here, there's tracks. Some dude killed a mountain lion up in here a few years ago. Hopefully that was the only one. Keep one eye towards the woods. Almost there. Looks like some little shelters. Ooh, looks like there's even a tree over there. That's what I'm talking about. This is what you're looking for. Rain's coming down, 48 degrees. Get up under this big old tree over here. View of the river. Keep the rain off us. We got a tarp too, as long as it's not too muddy. Looks about perfect. Look at this whole thing. Probably an old Indian side up under here. Ooh. And a jawbone of an animal. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. We got animal bones. I don't know if that's a good sign or bad sign.
Yeah, it should scare off the...
Scare off or bring them? Right here, what do you think it is? It's big. A Wendigo, maybe? Look at the size of that. What do you think? Wendigo? No?
Is that how you pronounce that?
What do you call it?
Wendigo?
I guess we'll find out when it eats us. We'll ask.
Yeah, comment section answers.
Oh, look at this, too. Oh no, this is a bad sign. This is bad juju. Look at this. I told you, there's stuff always coming out. Somebody probably died here. Look at one dingo probably came and ate them. Ripped the door handle off.
Oh.
Look at old, round. What do you think? Can we rig something up here and keep out of the... You do? If you're happy, I'm happy. I think we're about there.
Yeah,
we come in like this. That's enough.
Excellent.
Right?
Yep, I'm happy.
Keep the rain off us long enough to cook some dogs. Stormproof matches. Let's see if it's true. 4 matches. That's all we got. How's the fire going?
Oh, it's beautiful.
You done? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Even split on the side.
Just dripping.
Done enough. All cleaned up and ready to go. Take our full bellies, our cold fingers, and our petrified wood we found and head off. The best part is it's about 48 degrees. Ah, we made it. From the cold wet to the warm Jeep. That's a Midwest fall bushcraft for you.